to another video. Today's video I'm going to be just walking around the local park. There's not actually too much in Stevenage where I live, really. So yeah, just going to go to the local park, see what I can see, try and get some video footage from the tripod. Want to give a quick shout out to KG's Photography on YouTube. Give me a few tips and stuff. Thanks for that, mate. So yeah, we'll see what's what when I get there, and I shall speak to you guys soon. Right, people, I'm now in the park, but I've got to walk across all these fields and that to get to the lakes, because there's actually about 4 lakes here. They all connect. So yeah, the medium-sized lake's probably the best one to photograph stuff on. Trouble is, as it's a public park, there's dogs and children everywhere. There's quite a few bits on here this morning. I'm going to have a little look in the binoculars that I've remembered today. I've actually got both tripods and my binoculars. I normally forget them, so yeah, we'll see what we got here. It just looks like mallards to me. But we could have a few teal or whatever here. Last week a few turned up, a pair of teal and a pair of shoveler in their plumage. They're yeah, not quite as pretty this time of year. So yeah, I'll check back in soon when I'm at the big lake. So yeah, we'll speak soon. Yeah, not quite at the big lake yet, but thought I'd just add, I'm quite glad we had a storm last night, because it was all drying out, all these lakes, especially the smaller ones. You know, they were literally just slosh and mud. And yeah, but now there's actually mallards swimming around in that little bit there, which is always good to see. Hopefully the kingfishers I see turn up again. That'd be brilliant, because then I'd be able to make a future video of them. But they only stuck around for 3 days and then they just went. There was a pair, a male and female, looked like juveniles, and there was a lone female on her own. So yeah, hopefully it will stay all flowing now that we're in September. So yeah, keeping my eye out in this area, because juvenile green woodpeckers keep hanging about. Also, a spotted flycatcher has been seen here, so I'll just have a quick nose here. And yeah, I'll check back in shortly. Not far away from Big Lake now, and I shall speak to you guys there. Right, people, I was over the other side here, where I've done the hyperlapse. When I moved on, there were some over-friendly ducklings that were literally pecking my camera. So yeah, I thought I'd move on because the mum was not impressed. So I thought rather than stress them out, because she was hissing quite a bit, I'll move around a bit. Try and get some footage from here. They all seem to have moved away at the moment. They can't look up black-headed gulls in front of me here, but other than that, there ain't much else. So, oh, the Swan family are coming over slowly. I'm going to try and get some video footage of those, and yeah, I'll be back shortly. now on the big lake. Not much on here. I'm just in the process of doing a clip for Cormorant. Yeah, it's a lot quieter on this big lake. Better in the winter on this big lake. There's crystal creams on here, but they're quite at the other end. Yeah, I apologise for the wind. Not much I can do about that. Yeah, you know, just filming a few bits, just getting clips of this, clips of that. You know, I'm still learning really with these videos, but I've taken KG's tip of taking the tripod out with me and just sitting there. So yeah, see how many views we get for this one. I do appreciate all the views I'm getting already, of course, but extra views is always good. So yeah, sit here for a little bit and then probably pack up and call it a day, because I think another storm's supposed to come, so I don't particularly want to get caught in it. Anyway, peoples, that's going to be it for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you in nature sometime soon. Bye for now.